Bootstrap versus Platform versus Application Class Loader explained. Introduction. In Java, a class loader loads .class files into JVM memory. But there is not only one class loader. Modern Java commonly uses these main class loaders. 1. Bootstrap Class Loader. 2. Platform Class Loader. 3. Application Class Loader. Simple idea. Bootstrap Class Loader means loads core Java classes. Platform Class Loader means loads Java platform classes. Application Class Loader means loads your application classes. This guide explains what each class loader does. Class loader hierarchy. Parent delegation model. Bootstrap versus platform versus application. Java examples, Spring Boot examples, common errors, debugging tips, interview questions, 30-day learning plan. Simple definition. Bootstrap Class Loader loads the most basic Java classes. Examples: java.lang.string, java.lang.object, java.lang.system, java.lang.integer. Platform Class Loader loads Java platform classes and modules that are not loaded by Bootstrap. Application Class Loader loads your application classes and dependencies from the class path or module path.
Examples:
com example product service, com example.userController, org.postgresql driver, com.factorsxay.jackson.databind. Object mapper, big picture Bootstrap Class Loader, platform class loader, application class loader. Your application code. When your app needs a class, the request usually starts from the application class loader. But before loading the class itself, it asks the parent first. This is called Parent Delegation Class Loader Hierarchy Diagram. Plus, Bootstrap Class Loader loads core Java classes. Example: java.lang.string, java.lang.object. Plus. Class Loader all loads Java platform classes modules. Example: platform level JDK classes, plus a parentheses, in ... all application class loader. Plus y. Multiple class loaders exist. Multiple class loaders help Java with security, separation, modularity, loading classes from different places, preventing fake core Java classes, application server isolation, plugin systems, dependency management. Example: if someone creates a fake class, package java.lang, public class string. Java should not use this fake string. The Bootstrap Class Loader loads the real java.lang.string first. Parent delegation model. Parent delegation means before a class loader loads a class, it asks its parent first. Flow. Application Class Loader asks parent Platform Class Loader, asks parent Bootstrap Class Loader. If parent finds the class, parent loads it. If parent cannot find it, child tries to load it. Parent delegation example 1, java.lang.string. When application code uses string name equals Java. Class loading request. Application Class Loader asks platform Class Loader, asks Bootstrap Class Loader, loads java.lang.string. So string is loaded by Bootstrap Class Loader. Parent delegation example 2, your class. Package com example. Public class product service. Class loading request. Application Class Loader asks platform Class Loader, asks Bootstrap cannot find com example.product service, asks platform cannot find com example.product service. Application Class Loader loads it. So your class is loaded by Application Class Loader. 1. Bootstrap Class Loader. What it does. Bootstrap Class Loader loads the most fundamental Java runtime classes. Examples: java.lang.object, java.lang.string, java.lang.system, java.lang.thread, java.lang.class, java.lang.integer, java.util.ArrayList, java.util.hashmap. Simple idea. Bootstrap loads Java core classes needed by the JVM itself. Important point about Bootstrap Class Loader. In Java code, Bootstrap Class Loader often appears as null. Example: public class main, public static void main, string args, system.out.println, string.class get class loader. Output concept null. Why? Bootstrap Class Loader is represented as null in Java API. This does not mean string has no class loader. It means string is loaded by Bootstrap Class Loader. Bootstrap Class Loader example: public class Bootstrap example, public static void main string args, class loader string loader equals string.class.getClassLoader. Class loader object loader equals object.class.getClassLoader. Class loader system loader equals system.class.getClassLoader. System out.println string loader plus string loader. System out.println object loader plus object loader. System out.println system loader plus system loader. Possible output: string loader, null. Object loader, null. System loader, null. Meaning: these classes are loaded by Bootstrap Class Loader. 2. Platform Class Loader. What it does. Platform Class Loader loads platform-level Java classes. It sits between Bootstrap Class Loader and Application Class Loader. Simple idea. Platform Class Loader loads Java platform classes that are not part of the core Bootstrap set. In older Java versions, you may hear Extension Class Loader. In modern Java, this concept is generally replaced by Platform Class Loader. Platform Class Loader example: you can print the Platform Class Loader. Public class platform example: public static void main string ags, class loader platform loader equals classLoader.getPlatformClassLoader. System out println platform loader. Possible output concept: JDK internal loader class loaders $platform class loader at. This shows the JVM platform class loader. 3. Application Class Loader. What it does. Application Class Loader loads caps your application classes, classes from your project, dependency jars, classes from classpath, classes from module path. Examples: com mexample.main, com mexample.productController, com mexample.productService, com mexample.productRepository, org.PostgreSQL driver, com.fasterljackson.databind.objectMapper. Simple idea. Application Class Loader loads the code you write and the libraries your app uses. Application Class Loader example: public class application loader example, public static void main string args. Class loader loader equals application loader example dot class dot get class loader. System.out.println loader. Possible output: jdk.internal.loader.classloaders.appClassLoader at. Meaning: this class was loaded by Application Class Loader. Full example: print different class loaders, import java.sql.driverManager. Public class class loader demo, public static void main string args, system.out.println string class loader plus string.class.getClassLoader. System out println platform class loader plus classLoader.getPlatformClassLoader. System.out.println this class loader plus classLoaderDemo.class.getClassLoader. System.out.println system class loader plus classLoader.getSystemClassLoader. Possible output concept: string class loader, null. Platform class loader, JDK internal loader.classloaders.platformClassLoader at dot. This class loader, JDK internal loader.classloaders.appClassLoader at dot. System class loader, JDK internal loader.classloaders.appClassLoader at dot. Important: system class loader usually means application class loader. Bootstrap versus platform versus application table class loader parent loads. Example: Bootstrap none core Java classes, java.lang.string, Platform Bootstrap Java Platform Classes, JDK Platform Modules Classes, Application Platform App Classes and Dependencies, com.example.main. Simple memory. Bootstrap means Java core, platform means Java platform, application means your app. Another comparison table. Feature: Bootstrap platform application level, highest parent, middle child, Java API, display often null. Platform class loader, app class loader, loads your classes? No, no, yes. Loads core classes? Yes. No limited. No loads class path? No, no, yes. Example class string platform JDK class product service. Parent chain, example public class, parent chain example. Public static void, main, string, ags. Class loader app loader equals parent chain example.class.get class loader. System.out.println app loader underscore app loader. Class loader parent equals app loader.get parent. System.out.println parent loader plus parent. Class loader grandparent equals parent get parent. System.out.println grandparent loader plus grandparent. Possible output: app loader jdk.internal.loader.classloaders.appClassLoader. Parent loader jdk.internal.loader.classloaders.platformClassLoader. Grandparent loader null. Meaning: application parent platform parent equals bootstrap. Bootstrap displayed as null. What happens when you run Java main command? Java main flow. 1. JVM starts. 2. Application class loader receives request for main. 3. Application asks platform. 4. Platform asks bootstrap. 5. Bootstrap cannot find main. 6. Platform cannot find main. 7. Application class loader loads main. 8. JVM finds main method. 9. Program starts. What happens when code uses string? Code. Dot. String name equals Java. Flow. 1. Application code references string. 2. Application class loader asks platform. 3. Platform asks bootstrap. 4. Bootstrap finds java.lang.string. 5. Bootstrap loads string. So, string means Bootstrap class loader. What happens when code uses your service? Code. Product service equals new product service. Flow. 1. Application code references product service. 2. Application class loader asks platform. 3. Platform asks bootstrap. 4. Bootstrap cannot find product service. 5. Platform cannot find product service. 6. Application class loader loads product service. So, product service means application class loader. What happens when code uses dependency class? Example: object mapper equals new object mapper if Jackson dependency is in your application class path. Application class loader loads object mapper. Flow. Application asks parent first. Parent cannot find Jackson class. Application loads it from dependency jar. So, Jackson object mapper means application class loader. Spring Boot example: Spring Boot app. At Spring Boot application, public class product application. Public static void main, string and include args. Spring application.run, product application.class, args. Loaded classes. Java.lang string means bootstrap. Java.lang.object means bootstrap. Spring application means usually application class loader. Product application means application class loader. Product controller means application class loader. Product service means application class loader. Product repository means application class loader. Simple idea. Core Java classes means Bootstrap Spring Framework dependency classes. Means application your classes. Means application Spring Boot fat jar. Note: Spring Boot often runs as java-jar app.jar. The jar contains your classes Spring Boot classes dependency jars. Spring Boot uses a special launcher mechanism for nested jars. But beginner level idea. Application class loader loads your app and dependency classes. Why Bootstrap is represented as null. Example: system.out.println string.class.getClassLoader. Output. Null. Beginner confusion. Does null mean no class loader? Answer. No, it means Bootstrap Class Loader loaded it. Reason. Bootstrap Class Loader is implemented internally by JVM and is represented as null in Java-level API. System Class Loader versus Application Class Loader. You may see this. Class Loader System Loader equals ClassLoader.getSystemClassLoader in common Java applications. System Class Loader equals Application Class Loader. Example. System.out.println ClassLoader.getSystemClassLoader. Possible output. JDK internal.loader ClassLoader's $app ClassLoader at dot. So in many beginner explanations, System Class Loader and Application Class Loader are treated as same. Modern Java versus older Java. Older Java versions often described Bootstrap Class Loader, Extension Class Loader, Application Class Loader. Modern Java commonly describes Bootstrap Class Loader, Platform Class Loader, Application Class Loader. Simple mapping. Old, Extension Class Loader. Modern, Platform Class Loader. So, if an interview or old tutorial says Extension Class Loader, understand the modern equivalent is Platform Class Loader. Class loading and metaspace. When a class is loaded, class metadata goes to metaspace. Example, public class product service. Memory. Product service class metadata means metaspace. Product service object bean means heap. Method calls means stack. Class loader decides who loads the class. Metaspace stores loaded class metadata. Class loader does not create objects. Class loading loads class definition. Object creation creates object instance. Example, product service service equals new product service. Flow. 1. Product service class loaded by Application Class Loader. 2. Product service metadata stored in metaspace. 3. New product service creates object in heap. 4. Service reference stored in stack. Common errors related to class loaders. 1. ClassNotFoundException, meaning JVM tried to load a class but could not find it. Example, ClassNotFoundException. Org PostgreSQL driver. Possible cause. PostgreSQL driver jar missing. Usually related to classpath missing dependency. Wrong package name 2. NoClassDefFoundError, meaning class existed at compile time but is missing at runtime. Example, NoClassDefFoundError. COM example payment client. Possible cause. Jar missing. In runtime deployment dependency, not packaged. Wrong server artifact 3. UnsupportedClassVersionError, meaning class compiled with newer Java version than runtime supports. Example, compiled with Java 21, running with Java 17. Use correct Java runtime or compile with compatible target version 4. NoSuchMethodError, meaning runtime library version does not match compile time expectation. Possible cause. Duplicate dependency versions, old jar loaded at runtime, dependency conflict. Debugging class loader issues. 1. Which class is missing? 2. Is dependency in POM.xml, build Gradle? 3. Is dependency packaged into jar? 4. Is dependency scope correct? 5. Is Java version correct? 6. Is server using correct artifact? Are there duplicate versions? 8. Does MVN dependency tree show conflict? 9. Does jar tf show the class? 10. Is the class path correct? Useful commands. Check Java version. Java minus version. Check compiler version. Java C minus version. Check Maven dependency tree. MVN dependency tree. Check Gradle dependencies. Doc Gradle dependencies. Inspect jar contents. Jar tf app.jar. Search class in jar. Jar tf app.jar. grep product service. Print class loading logs. Java. Xlog class plus load -jar app.jar. Note: class loading logs can be very large. Use them only when needed. Debugging example: PostgreSQL driver missing. Error: ClassNotFoundException. org.postgresql.driver. Cause: application class loader cannot find PostgreSQL driver class. Fix: a dependency. Group ID org PostgreSQL. Group ID PostgreSQL. Artifact ID. Then 1. Rebuild app. 2. Run dependency tree. 3. Check packaged jar. 4. Restart app. Debugging example: Java version mismatch. Error. Unsupported class version error. Cause: your class file version is newer than the runtime Java version. Example: compiled with JDK 21, running with JRE JDK 17. Fix: use Java 21 runtime or compile target as Java 17. Debugging example: duplicate dependency. Error: NoSuchMethodError. Possible cause: application class loader loaded an older dependency jar at runtime. Fix: 1. Run MVN dependency tree. 2. Find duplicate versions. 3. Exclude wrong version. 4. Force correct version. 5. Rebuild and redeploy. Common beginner mistakes. 1. Thinking Bootstrap loads everything. Wrong. Bootstrap loads all Java classes. Correct. Bootstrap loads core Java classes. Application class loader loads your classes and dependencies. 2. Thinking application class loader loads string. Wrong. My app uses string, so application class loader loads string. Correct. String is loaded by Bootstrap Class Loader. 3. Thinking null means no class loader. Wrong. String.class.getClassLoader returns null, so string has no class loader. Correct. Null means Bootstrap Class Loader. 4. Confusing platform and application class loader. Platform loads platform-level Java classes. Application loads your app classes and classpath dependencies. 5. Confusing class loading with object creation. Wrong. Class loaded means object is created. Correct. Class loading stores metadata in metaspace. New creates object in heap. 6. Ignoring dependency scope. In Maven, compile, runtime, provided test. If dependency scope is wrong, class may not be available at runtime. Example: dependency available in test, but missing in production. 7. Not checking runtime Java version. Common issue: IDE uses Java 21, server uses Java 17. This can cause unsupported class version error. Best practices: check, understand Bootstrap, platform, application class loaders. Remember Bootstrap appears as null in Java API. Remember application class loader loads your classes. No parent delegation model. Check dependency tree for missing duplicate jars. Check Java runtime version. Inspect jar contents if class missing. Avoid duplicate library versions. Understand class loading is different from object creation. Use class loading logs only when necessary. NoClassNotFoundException versus NoClassDefFoundError. Understand Spring Boot app classes usually load through application-level loading. Interview questions. 1. What are the main class loaders in modern Java? Bootstrap Class Loader, Platform Class Loader, Application Class Loader. 2. What does Bootstrap Class Loader load? It loads core Java classes like java.lang.string, java.lang.object, java.lang.system3. What does Platform Class Loader load? It loads Java Platform classes modules that are not loaded by Bootstrap. 4. What does Application Class Loader load? It loads your application classes and classpath module path dependencies. 5. What is parent delegation? Before loading a class loader asks its parent first. 6. Why is parent delegation useful? It improves security and prevents duplicate fake loading of core Java classes. 7. Why does string.class.getClassLoader return null? Because string is loaded by Bootstrap Class Loader, which is represented as null in Java API. 8. What is the parent of the application class loader? Usually, platform class loader. 9. What is the parent of platform class loader? Bootstrap Class Loader. In Java API, this may appear as null. 10. Is system class loader same as application class loader? In common Java applications, yes. Class loader.getSystemClassLoader usually returns the application class loader. 11. Which class loader loads your Spring Boot controller class? Usually, application class loader. 12. Which class loader loads java.lang.object? Bootstrap Class Loader. 13. Which class loader loads dependency jars? Usually, application class loader. 14. What replaced extension class loader in modern Java? Platform Class Loader. 15. Is class loading same as object creation? No. Class loading loads metadata into metaspace. Object creation creates objects in heap. 16. What is ClassNotFoundException? It means JVM tried to load a class but could not find it. 17. What is NoClassDefFoundError? It means class was available at compile time but missing at runtime. 18. How do you debug class loader issues? Check. ClassPath dependency tree, jar contents, Java version, dependency scope, duplicate jars, runtime deployment, artifact, roadmap, beginner level. Learn what a class loader is. Bootstrap Class Loader, Platform Class Loader, Application Class Loader, Parent Delegation, Get Class Loader. Practice. Print class loader for string. Print class loader for your class. Print parent class loader chain. Intermediate level. Learn.
Check. ClassPath. Dependency jars.
Maven scopes. ClassNotFoundException. NoClassDefFoundError. Spring Boot class loading. Practice. Inspect jar contents. Run MVN dependency tree. Understand missing driver error. Advanced level. Learn. Custom class loaders. Class loader isolation. App server class loading. Plugin systems. Metaspace leaks. Class loading logs. Practice. Use xlog class plus load. Analyze duplicate dependency issue. Understand custom class loader conceptually. 30-day learning plan. Week 1. Basics. Learn. Class loader purpose. Bootstrap loader, platform loader, application loader, parent delegation. Practice. Write a Java program to print class loaders. Week 2. Class loader hierarchy. Learn. Check. Parent chain. SIC. Bootstrap as null. System class loader. Application class loader. ClassPath loading. Practice. Print parent of your class loader. Explain why grandparent is null. Week 3. Errors and debugging. Learn. Class. Not found exception. NoClassDefFoundError. Unsupported class version error. NoSuchMethodError. Dependency conflict. Practice. Run MVN dependency tree. Inspect jar contents. Check Java version mismatch. Week 4. Spring Boot and production. Learn now. Check. Spring Boot fat jar. Dependency packaging. Runtime ClassPath. Class loading logs. Metaspace basics. Practice. Build Spring Boot jar. Run java-jar. Understand how your classes and dependency classes are loaded. Real-world backend scenario. Spring Boot app cannot find database driver. Error. Class not found exception. org.postgresql.driver. What it means. Application class loader cannot find PostgreSQL driver class. Why? PostgreSQL driver dependency is missing from runtime ClassPath. Fix. Add PostgreSQL dependency. Rebuild app. Redeploy correct artifact. Restart app. Real-world backend scenario. App works locally but fails on server. Error. NoClassDefFoundError. COM example client Payment client. Possible cause. Class existed locally during compile, but server runtime artifact does not contain it. Debug. 1. Check deployed jar. 2. Inspect jar contents. 3. Check Maven Gradle dependencies. 4. Check dependency scope. 5. Check server Java version. 6. Redeploy correct artifact. Final summary. Bootstrap, platform, and application class loaders work together to load Java classes. Important concepts. C. Bootstrap loads core Java classes. C. Platform loads Java platform classes. C. Application loads your app and dependency classes. C. Application asks platform first. C. Platform asks Bootstrap first. C. Bootstrap appears as null in Java API. System class loader usually means application class loader. C. Parent delegation protects core Java classes. Class metadata goes to metaspace. Objects go to heap. Missing dependency causes class loading errors. Key memory trick. Bootstrap means core Java platform means platform Java application means your app. For interviews, explain this. Java uses a class loader hierarchy. Application class loader asks platform, platform asks Bootstrap. Core Java classes are loaded by Bootstrap, platform classes by platform, and application classes dependencies by application.